Hi there, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking to travel with your Nintendo Switch soon, then you need to check out COOWPS's traveling case designed for Nintendo Switch. This case is perfect for storing all of our Switch accessories. There are even designated slots for each accessory. The foam insert that secures each piece into place is real tight, so there's no worry if and when things get jostled around while you're traveling. If you're using this for organization or storage, even at home, it has space for 21 games, which is an awful lot, especially for newbies like us. And it also has a meshed zippered pocket for other charge cords, accessory, or items that you need to store or travel with. Both my son and I love that the zippers can be opened with one hand. It's very helpful when you're in a hurry and you have your hands full. On the flights and the road trips we recently took, we were absolutely confident that our Switch would be protected from the hustle and bustle of traveling. We highly recommend this case, and that is my point of view.